Generative AI is fundamentally transforming how we create, work, and innovate by democratizing creative power and making professional quality content accessible to everyone. It's revolutionizing workflows across industries, from software development to healthcare, by automating routine tasks and freeing humans to focus on strategic thinking. The technology is accelerating innovation cycles, allowing teams to prototype ideas in hours instead of months, and explore possibilities at unprecedented speed. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about augmenting human potential through intelligent collaboration between human creativity and artificial capability. Generative AI represents a fascinating branch of artificial intelligence focused on creation. Unlike traditional AI models that are designed to analyze and categorize existing data, which we call discriminative AI, generative models go a step further. They learn the underlying patterns and structures within their training data and then leverage this understanding to produce entirely new and original content. This content can take various forms, ranging from realistic-looking images and lifelike audio to coherent text passages, functional computer code, and even novel drug molecules. The key is that it's not just replicating what it has seen, but rather synthesizing something new based on the learned representations. The magic of generative AI lies in several breakthrough technologies that have converged in recent years. Let's start with large language models, or LLMs. These are the powerhouses behind conversational AI systems like GPT, Claude, and Gemini. They're trained on massive text datasets and use sophisticated prediction algorithms to generate human-like responses by predicting the most likely next word in a sequence. For visual content creation, we have diffusion models, which power tools like DALLE, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. These models work by learning to reverse a process of gradually adding noise to images, essentially learning to create clear, detailed images from random noise by following text descriptions. The transformer architecture deserves special mention as it's the foundation for most modern generative AI. Introduced in 2017, transformers use attention mechanisms that allow models to focus on relevant parts of input data, making them incredibly effective at understanding context and relationships in complex data. Finally, generative adversarial networks, GANs, are included, with a concise definition of their unique two-competing neural network framework, emphasizing their significant contribution to the field. All of these technologies build upon deep neural networks, computational systems inspired by the human brain that can learn complex patterns through multiple layers of processing. The combination of these technologies, massive computational power, and enormous datasets has created the generative AI revolution we're experiencing today. These neural networks are trained on vast datasets. The optimization process, involving backpropagation and various loss functions, is emphasized as the method by which neural network weights are fine-tuned to continuously improve the quality and realism of the generated output. Generative AI has moved far beyond the laboratory and is now transforming industries across the board. In content creation, we're seeing writers use AI to overcome creative blocks, marketers generate personalized campaigns at scale, and designers create concepts in minutes rather than hours. Companies are producing blog posts, social media content, and even entire marketing campaigns with AI assistance. The software development world has been particularly transformed. Developers are using AI to generate code snippets, debug complex problems, and even create entire applications. Tools like GitHub Copilot have become indispensable for many programmers, dramatically speeding up development cycles and helping solve complex coding challenges. Healthcare applications are perhaps the most promising for societal impact. Researchers are using generative AI to accelerate drug discovery by generating and testing molecular structures virtually. In medical imaging, AI can generate synthetic medical data for training purposes and assist in diagnosis by highlighting potential issues in scans. Education is being revolutionized through personalized learning experiences. AI tutors can adapt their teaching style to individual students, generate practice problems at appropriate difficulty levels, and create customized educational content that matches each learner's pace and interests. Even entertainment has been transformed, with AI helping create video game worlds, compose music, and generate storylines for various media formats. As with any transformative technology, generative AI brings significant challenges that we must address thoughtfully. Ethical concerns top the list, including issues of bias in AI outputs, the potential for generating misinformation, and complex questions around copyright and intellectual property. These models learn from human-created content, which means they can perpetuate existing biases and sometimes produce content that infringes on creators' rights. Quality control remains a persistent challenge. AI systems can generate convincing but factually incorrect information, what researchers call hallucinations. This makes human oversight crucial, especially in high-stakes applications like healthcare or legal work. We need robust verification systems and clear understanding of AI limitations. The workforce impact is perhaps the most socially significant challenge. While AI will likely create new types of jobs, it will also transform or eliminate others. This requires proactive approaches to retraining, education, and social support systems to help workers adapt to this changing landscape. Looking toward the future, we're on the cusp of even more remarkable developments. Multimodal AI systems that can seamlessly work across text, images, audio, and video will create entirely new possibilities. We'll see increasingly specialized applications tailored to specific industries and use cases. However, realizing this potential responsibly requires thoughtful governance and regulation. We need frameworks that encourage innovation while protecting against misuse, ensuring that the benefits of generative AI are broadly shared and that development proceeds in ways that benefit humanity as a whole. The future of generative AI is incredibly bright, but it requires all of us, technologists, policymakers, educators, and citizens, to work together to shape it responsibly.